Hello, thank you for watching Syrian Eats. Today I'm going to show you how to make a red lentil soup, and it's called شوربت العدس. These are our ingredients today.
I have here 2 finely diced onions. I have here 2.5 cups of red lentils.
I have here half a teaspoon of allspice, half a teaspoon of Aleppo pepper, and half a teaspoon of paprika. I have here 1 teaspoon of cumin and 1/3 of a cup of short grain rice and 4 tablespoons of butter. I'm going to go ahead and start out by sauteing our onions.
Okay, we're going to start out with medium to high heat, and we are going to saute our onions. And we're going to keep sauteing until it's golden brown. So it looks like our onions are ready. They're golden brown. I'm going to go ahead and add my lentils. And I'm going to kind of just move them around with the butter and the rice, and then we'll add our water. You're going to wait for it to come up to a boil.